Hello again, students. Today is an introduction to how to set up, log in, access, and set up your MySimpleShow explainer video. First, you're going to type in MySimpleShow.com. If you've never used MySimpleShow before, you are going to log in, click on this button, upper right-hand corner, and you're going to sign in with your district Google credentials. Sometimes it takes a couple of attempts the first time. I actually clicked on remember me, that's why it's remembering me. Click on log in. And you may have to refresh your page in order for this to pull through, or you may have to close the tab and quit the program and try to log back in. Once you have established a login presence with MySimpleShow, you don't have to go through all this setup again.